Hello students, in my previous video I have explained basics of congruency, and in this video I am going to explain sums of 7.1 from class 9 textbook. Here question number 1 is in quadrilateral ACBD, it is given AC equals to AD, AB bisects angle A, that means these two angles are equal. We have to show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD, and we have to find the relation between BC and BD. As given in the question, in quadrilateral ACBD, AC equal to BD. So we have written in the given section that in quadrilateral ACBD, AC equals to BD, and we have to show triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD, and we have to find the relation between BC and BD. In triangles ABC and triangle ABD, here AC equals to AD, it is given in the question. Angle CAB equal to angle DAB, because these two angles are equal, as given in the question that AB bisects angle A, so these two angles will be equal, and AB equals to AB, that means in the upper triangle and the lower triangle AB is the common side, so we can say side angle side, and here side angle side, these two triangles are congruent, so we can write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. So since here these sides are equal, this angle is equal, these sides are equal, so triangles are congruent by SAS congruence. Now since triangles are congruent, we know corresponding sides are equal, so BC and BD are equal. We can write BC equal to BD by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Therefore BC and BD are of equal length, and that's the answer of question number 1. In question number 2, it is given ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD equal to BC, here AD equals to BC. Angle DAB equal to CBA, DAB equal to CBA. We have to prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC, then BD equals to AC, and we have to show angle ABD equals to angle BAC. So in the first part we have to show that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. So these two triangles I have drawn separately. Here it is BAD and ABC. Now as given in the question that AD equal to BC, so here we can mark AD equals to BC. Next, angle DAB, that means this angle is equal to angle CBA. These two angles are equal, and here you can see AB, here also AB, so these two sides are common. So we can write in triangle ABD and triangle BAC, here AD equals to BC, it is given in the question. Then DAB equal to CBA, this is also given in the question, and AB equals to AB common, so AB equals to BA, or you can write AB equals to AB common. So side angle side, triangles are congruent by side angle side, SAS congruence rule. So we can write triangle ABD congruent to triangle BAC. Since these two triangles are congruent, so obviously BD will be equal to AC. We know corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal, so here BD will be equal to AC by CPCTC. It is given in the second part, so since triangles are congruent, we can write BD equal to AC. Again, we have to prove that angle ABD equal to BAC. Since these two triangles are congruent, so definitely this angle will be equal to this angle, so we can write here angle ABD is equal to angle BAC by CPCT. So these are the things that we have to prove in this sum. In question number 3, it is given AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. So here AB is the line segment, AD and BC are two equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. We have to show CD bisects AB. If you take the triangle BOC and AOD, in these two triangles, these two angles are equal because they are vertically opposite angle, so angle BOC equals to AOD. Again, these two, it is given in the question, they are perpendiculars, so this is also 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, and BC equal to AD, as they are equal perpendiculars, so length of these two are also equal. So we can write in these two triangles, angle BOC equal to angle AOD, vertically opposite angles. Angle OBC equal to OAD, or you can write DAO. These two angles are 90 degree. So in the second line you write angles are equal because they are 90 degree each. And BC equal to AD because these two are equal. In the question it is given perpendiculars are equal. So angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side, triangles are congruent. So here we have written triangle BOC is congruent to triangle, here you put congruent, BOC is congruent to triangle AOD by angle, angle, side congruency. Since triangles are congruent, so we can write BO equals to AO by CPCT. BO and AO are corresponding parts, so since triangles are congruent, these two parts also must be equal. So CD has bisected the line AB. So we can write CD bisects AB, hence proved. In question number 4 it is given L and M. This is L, this is M. These two are lines which are parallel. So L and M are two parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel lines P and Q. So L is parallel to M, P is parallel to Q. We have to show triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. Here if you consider triangle ABC and CDA, as we have to show that these two triangles are congruent, first of all P is parallel to Q and AC is the transversal, so we can consider this angle equal to this angle. So we can write in triangle ABC and CDA, angle BAC equal to DCA because these are alternate interior angle since P is parallel to Q. Again, in both the triangles AC side is present, so we can write AC is the common side, AC equal to AC. Here L is parallel to M, so these triangles will be equal. We can write BCA equal to DAC, so this angle equal to this angle. So we can write here angle, side, angle, and here angle, side, angle. Triangles are congruent, so here in the third line you can write angle BCA equal to angle DAC, alternate interior angle, as L is parallel to M. You can write here in triangle ABC and CDA, angle BAC equal to angle DCA, alternate interior angle, AC equal to AC as they are common, and angle BCA equal to DAC, again alternate interior angle. Therefore triangles are congruent by angle side angle congruence rule. In question number 5 it is given line L is the bisector of an angle A and B is any point on L. So angle A is this one and line L is the bisector of this angle, and we have taken any point B on it. BP and BQ are perpendiculars, that means these two angles are 90 from B to the arms of angle A. We have to show that triangle APB and AQB, these two triangles are congruent, and we have to show BP equals to BQ, that means B is equidistant from the arms of angle A. Here if we take the triangle APB and AQB as given in the question, that BQ and BP are perpendiculars, so BQA and APB both are equals to 90 degrees. So we can write in triangle APB and AQB, angle APB is 90 and AQB is also 90. These are given in the question because both of them are perpendiculars. Again, angle PAB will be equal to QAB as given. L is the bisector of this angle, so this part and this part must be equal because L is the bisector. Bisector means dividing the angle into two parts. So angle PAB equal to QAB, and AB is the common side in both the triangles, so we can write angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side. So in these two triangles, these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal, and this side is common. So by angle, angle, side congruence, we can say triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. Now, since triangles are congruent, corresponding sides will be equal, so BP equals to BQ by CPCT. So we can write here In triangle APB and AQB, angle APB equals to AQB each 90 degree. PAB equals to angle QAB, since L is the bisector of angle A. AB equals to AB, this is the common side. So triangles are congruent by AAS congruence. Therefore BP equals to BQ by CPCT. That means we can say that B is equidistant from the arms of angle A. In question number 6 it is given AC equals to AE, AB equals to AD, and angle BAD equal to angle EAC. We have to show BC equals to DE. I have to show BC equals to DE. So I have drawn triangle BAC and DAE separately. Now here AB equals to AD is given, AC equals to AE is given, but these two angles are not given. Only it is given that BAD equal to EAC. So if I add this angle DAC with both, then I am going to get this angle equal to this angle. So here I have written angle BAD equal to EAC, it is given BAD equal to EAC. Now with these two angles I am adding angle DAC. If I add angle DAC with both, then I am going to get BAC, because this angle plus DAC, I am going to get BAC. This angle I will get. Again, with this angle, if I add angle DAC, I am going to get DAE, then I will get this angle. So after adding angle DAC with both, I am going to get BAC equals to DAE. Let it be equation number 1. Now if I consider these two triangles, then this side equal to this side, this angle equal to this angle, this side equal to this side. Triangles will be congruent, and when triangles are congruent by side angle side, then we can write BC equals to DE by CPCT. So here I have written in triangle BAC and DAE, AB equals to AD, it is given. Angle BAC equals to angle DAE, already we have proved here, and AC equal to AE, it is also given. So triangle BAC is congruent to DAE by SAS congruence rule. Since triangles are congruent, we can write BC equals to DE by CPCT. Since these two triangles I have shown they are congruent by side angle side, so BC equals to DE. This is what I have to prove. Question number 7, it is given AB is a line segment and P is the midpoint of this. So P is the midpoint of AB. D and E are points on the same side of AB such that angle BAD equals to ABE. These two angles are equal, and EPA equals to DPB. These two angles are also equal. We have to show triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP, and we have to show AD equals to EB. In this sum, I have to show that triangle DAP and triangle EPB, DAP and EPB congruent. So I have drawn these two triangles separately. In the question it is given that P is the midpoint of AB. So AP equals to PB. These two angles are given, they are equal. But these two angles are not given. It is given that these two angles are equal. So I have to add EPD with both to get these two angles. So since in the question it is given that EPA is equal to DPB, I have to add angle EPD with both. So I am adding angle DPE with both. So EPA plus DPE will give DPA. I will get DPA, and after adding these two I will get EPB. In triangle DAP and EBP, these two angles are equal, already given in the question. So we can write angle PAD equals to angle PBE. Since P is the midpoint, so AP equals to PB. And third line you can write DPA, this angle. After adding the angle we got this angle equal to this. So DPA equals to EPB. So angle side angles, we got triangle DAP congruent to triangle EBP by angle side angle congruence. And since triangles are congruent, so AD equals to BE by CPCT. So we can write therefore AD equals to BE by CPCT. In some of the books there is CP, CTC, that also you can write, it is up to you. So these are the two things that I have to prove in this sum. In question number 8, it is given in right angle triangle ABC, right angle at C, that means this angle is 90. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. C is joined to M and it is produced up to D such that DM equal to CM. Point D is joined to B. We have to show AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. AMC congruent to triangle BMD. These two triangles. Angle DBC is right angle. So this is the second part. We have to show this is 90. Third, triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. And finally we have to show CM is half of AB. So in the first part we have to show triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. Here AM equals to BM because it is given M is the midpoint. So this side equal to this side. Again AMC and BMD, these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So these two are equal. And it is given that CM equals to DM. It is also given in the question. Since this side equal to this side, this angle equal to this angle, and these two sides are equal, so by side angle side, triangles are congruent. So we can write here AM equals to BM, angle AMC equals to BMD by vertical opposite angle, and CM equal to DM. So triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD by side angle side congruence. Since triangles are congruent, so we can write AC will be equals to BD and this angle will be equal to this angle. So we got these two triangles are congruent, so these two sides are equal and this angle equals to this angle. Since these two angles are equal, so these two lines must be parallel. Now in the second part we have to show angle DBC, this angle is 90 degree. For this we can consider that since angle ACM and BDM are equal, so this angle I have shown that angle BDM and ACM, these two angles are equal. These are alternate interior angles, so these two lines are parallel. Since these two lines are parallel, so sum of this angle plus this angle will be 180 degree, which are called co-interior angles. So here I have written angle ACM and BDM are alternate interior angles. Since they are equal, so we can say DB is parallel to AC. Now DBC plus ACB will be 180. DBC we don't know, but ACB in the question it is given that it is 90 degree because this angle is 90, we know it is given in the question. This one you don't know, but sum of these two will be 180. So this angle also must be 90 because DBC plus 90 180, DBC is 180 minus 90 will give 90. So this is the second part of the sum. In the third part we have to show triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. Here in the previous part we have shown that DB equal to AC. This is 90, this angle is also 90 and BC is common. So by side angle side, triangles are congruent. So here I have written DB equal to AC, already proved in the previous part. DBC equal to ACB, each equals to 90 degree and BC equal to BC common. So triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB by SAS rule. In the last part we have to show that CM is half of AB, that is CM is half of AB. Since we have shown that triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB, so we can write AB equal to CD by CPCT. Now AB equals to CM plus DM, because CD equal to CM plus DM, I am writing DM plus MC. So AB equals to DM and MC. DM and MC both are equal, so we can write twice of CM. CM or MC same thing here because DM equal to CM. Since AB equal to twice CM, so CM will be half of AB. So CM equals to half of AB. This is the last part and this is the last sum from this exercise. In the next video I am going to show sums of 7.2. Till then, bye bye, take care and wait for the next part.